Hi guys, how are you doing? Happy New Year to you all. I hope you enjoyed your time with your family and friends. Um, how's everything going on with you? How are you starting this year? I hope you all are starting the year strong and you have a clear vision and goal for next year. Well, not next year, for this year. It's gonna take me some time to get used to this, but yeah, so hopefully you have set your goals so you can execute it and achieve your goal by the end of the year. Let me know what have you done. Let me know if you already set your goals for personal and business or career level in general. Let's encourage each other. Let's support each other. I just want to talk to you about taxable and reportable income today. I want you to be able to distinguish between both taxable and reportable income. For example, not for example, some people think what if they have to report an income, then they are taxed on it. And this is not true, because not all reportable income is taxable income. For example, if you have a foreign bank account and you have $10,000 in that account, at any point during the year, you have to report it. Well, this one not to IRS, to Treasury Department. There's a form you have to fill. Some people are afraid to do that because they think they're going to be taxed on it. Well, this is something you don't get taxed to, but you have to inform the Treasury Department that you have this account with this much money on it, even if that account is not yours. For example, if your grandma has an account and she just put your name on just in case, but that money is not yours, you still have to report that income. Well, it's not income in this case. You just have to fill the form for the Treasury Department and say, oh, okay, this is the account and this is how much I have on it, and this is so just inform. You don't get any taxes on that. There's nothing related. There's no taxable. There's no taxes need to be paid on that. That's an example. We can talk about details about that in a later video. But now, I just want to tell you, also, if you are an independent contractor, freelance, doing anything that's in cash or in checks or whatever, you have to report that income. When you report it, that doesn't mean you're going to be paying tax on it. There's a lot of things play and I can't talk today. There's a lot of component to this, like your personal situation, your marital status, if you have any other income or not. A lot of things that will say if you are getting taxed on that or not. Depends also on the threshold, like how many dependents you have. A lot of things. The best way to avoid tax legally is to do tax planning, and I have made video about tax planning in my YouTube channel. Go ahead and take a look of that for more information, and I can talk about that more. If you're interested in this topic, just let me know. So tax planning is not reporting income, because not reporting your income is going to be illegal, but and you can be in trouble for that. But if you do tax planning, work with your tax professional and do tax planning, then this way you can avoid paying unnecessary taxes that you shouldn't have to pay it otherwise. You can utilize your money in a different way. You can know what to do to level up your life in general, using the money that otherwise it would be used for taxes. So that's one thing. And you have to get knowledge, of a little knowledge, like basic knowledge that you have to know And this is part of the reason why I'm doing these videos and these tips. I want you to be more informed. And if you have any question, let me know. Ask your tax professional. You have to be specific, especially now, like when tax season is gonna come up. A lot of tax professionals will be busy doing taxes, and maybe some of them, they won't take the time to inform you. You need to ask questions. You need to be informed. It's your role to be informed. IRS expects you to be informed and to know what you have to report or not. Because, for example, like the example I mentioned about having to report a foreign account, if you don't know that you have to report, if you didn't know like that you have to report it, and they found out you have it and didn't report it, but you didn't know, you can be fined about 10K for not knowing. Well, if you know, that's another thing. You're in trouble even more. So you just have to know your rights. You just have to know your obligations. Make sure to get informed, learn more. I hope to see you, more of you, on my lives. Go subscribe to my channel, ask your tax professional, subscribe to other people's channel, go to irs.gov, just read what can be applied to you. And if you want to learn more, like, just make sure to ask the question, make sure you do your own research just to verify the information, because not all answers you get is a correct answer, and there's no answer fits all. So even if you read sometimes, like in the IRS and stuff, like not everything can be applied to your situation, because tax law is very dynamic. It's a lot of brackets, a lot of rules based on what's going on in your life. So you want to make sure what you're reading or what you know. How can you apply it on your situation, and if you can take advantage or not of it or not. So that's basically it. Like, I hope I'm making sense. It's like I jumped a lot today from topic to topic. I just wanted to give you an example. It might not be the best example for the situation, just what came in mind for now. But if you want to have any information about any specific topic, please let me know. DM me, comment under this video, and I'll see you tomorrow with a different tip. Hopefully we'll get a great tax season and pay less in taxes for all of you. Like, you don't pay what you don't have to pay, and that's one of your rights. Also, one thing I want to remind you before I hop off: if you haven't grabbed your discount yet, go to the link in the bio. I'm not gonna have this promotion running for so long. It will be ending soon, so go get it before it ends, and I hope to see you soon. See you later.